Today, I am reviewing the Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're tired of stubborn stains, pet messes, and lingering odors in your home or car, the Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner PX221BRN is an absolute game changer. This lightweight, portable cleaner is designed to tackle tough spots and spills with professional-level results, without the need for bulky machines or complicated setups. One of the most impressive features of the Shark StainStriker is its dual-activated cleaning formula. The solution mixes automatically inside the handheld spot and stain remover, delivering up to 20 times more stain-striking power compared to traditional cleaners. This makes it incredibly effective on stubborn messes, whether it's dried coffee, wine spills, or pet accidents. Even tough odors, including pet urine and smoke, are removed efficiently, leaving carpets, upholstery, and car interiors fresh and clean. The onboard self-cleaning feature is another standout aspect. After cleaning, you can simply click the tool into place, and the StainStriker cycles water and cleaning solution throughout the system to clean the hose and tool in seconds. This convenient feature eliminates extra attachments or complicated cleanup steps, saving time and making the device ready for its next use almost instantly. Portability is one of the Shark StainStriker's greatest strengths. Weighing less than 9 pounds, it's compact and easy to maneuver, allowing you to tackle stains wherever they happen. From carpets and area rugs to furniture, car seats, and even stairs, this cleaner goes wherever you need it. The included mini stain eliminator and 3.5-inch stain eliminator tools give you added versatility for hard-to-reach areas, corners, or upholstery seams. In terms of performance, the StainStriker doesn't disappoint. Its ultra-powerful suction pulls deep into fibers, lifting embedded stains and dirt to restore your carpets and upholstery to like new condition. Paired with the included 6 ounces Deep Clean Pro formula and 12 ounces OXY multiplier formula, you get a complete cleaning solution that works on a wide range of surfaces and messes. Whether you're dealing with everyday spills or stubborn, long-standing stains, this cleaner delivers consistently impressive results. Another advantage is its ease of storage and accessibility. Thanks to its lightweight and compact design, you can easily store it in a closet, laundry room, or even your car for on-the-spot cleaning emergencies. This makes it ideal for families, pet owners, and anyone who want a reliable, ready-to-use solution for keeping their home and car spotless. In summary, the Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner PX221BRN is a versatile, powerful, and easy-to-use cleaning tool. It combines professional-strength stain removal, pet-friendly odor elimination, ultra-powerful suction, and convenient self-cleaning features in one compact package. Perfect for carpets, area rugs, furniture, and car interiors, this cleaner ensures your spaces look and feel fresh, tackling everyday messes and stubborn stains alike. If you're looking for a reliable, portable, and highly effective solution to keep your home or car spotless, the Shark StainStriker is an excellent investment that makes cleaning faster, easier, and far more satisfying.